So I'm gonna show you some at-home workouts you can do for a sexy butt with a step. Using the step is really great. It adds a little bit more range of motion in your exercise. So even you can take the simple squat, traditional squat, legs are shoulder width apart, but you can do it with one foot on the box or step and one foot off. So you're just gonna squat all the way down and up. A really great thing to do is to transfer that weight into the leg. So when you squat down, you can press through that left side and bring it up. So you really get deep into that left glute and back of the leg area. Squatting down, pressing up, squatting down, pressing up. More advanced, you can use weights with this. You can incorporate other body parts. You can add a knee raise with it. Then you can also do a side shuffle on the box as well. Squatting down, taking that foot, shuffling over. So you're just switching sides, getting deep into each side, just like that. That's also a great way to get that heart rate going. You can take it even faster, more of a little cardio glute exercise here. A few other things, you can do a curtsy lunge here with your step. So just leaving one foot on, stepping the back leg all the way down and up. You can switch to the other side, or you can stand one side, burning out one side. This is really good. It adds even more of a focus on the glute here, sitting all the way down, so you have more range of motion to get even lower here, and then press up. So again, you can just stay here, take it down and up this way, 10 on each side, 10 on the other side, or you can alternate. One other really great exercise that I love is keeping one leg up on that step. All your weight stays forward so that it's all targeted on that, whatever leg is up on that glute. And you're just gonna pretty much do a running man, I call it. You're gonna bring that knee in, tap down, in, tap down, in, down. Just like this. So again, it's a cardio burst here, but your focus is on that glute. So same thing other side. Keep all the weight back in that heel. Bring the knee up, up, just like this. And as you can see, it works because I'm out of breath. And that's how you use a step for at-home exercises for a sexy butt.